Mathematical question also for JAM, likely examination question. We are asked to differentiate this with respect to x. To differentiate, invariably they are asked you to find change in y in respect to change in x. Although we don't have y from this question, but we can equate the value given to us to y. So let's say y equals to 2x squared plus 5 raised to power 4. We have different methods of differentiation, like we have function of function, also called composite rule or chain rule, as popularly called. We have product rule, we have quotient rule, we have implicit function, we also have parametric equation. So what kind of differentiation rule is this? By looking at this expression, this equation is synonymous to function of function or chain. It appear in this form: y equals to f of x raised to power n. So if you look very well, what is inside the function of x raised to power of n? So anytime you see an expression like this, it's synonymous to function of a function. So how do we solve this? We classify the f of x as u by saying let u equals to f of x and y becomes u raised to power n. So if this is u, my y becomes u raised to power of n. So let's apply this concept in solving our question. So if that is the case, I will say let u equals to 2x squared plus 5. Then y is now u raised to power 4. So here is now u versus x. Here is now y versus u. So I will differentiate this u in respect to x. Here is now y in respect to u. If I should do that, I'm having du over the x, which is, that will give us 4x. By bringing these two down to multiply these two, will give us 4x, then subtract 1 from the power, I'm going to have 4x. What about the 5? Anytime you are differentiating a variable without x, the value is 0. Remember, we are differentiating in respect to x. So therefore, the 5 here will give us 0. So let's also differentiate y in respect to u. I'm going to have dy over du equals to 4u raised to power 3. Like I said, the method of differentiating, bring the power down while you subtract 1 from it. So this is what we have as our du dx and dy du. So let's impute the mathematical expression for function of function. So if I impute the mathematical expression for function of function, it says that dy dx is equals to dy du times du over dx. So if I impute my value, my dy dx now will give me, what's my dy du? Is 4u raised to power 3 times, what's the value of du dx is simply 4x. So if I multiply this, my dy over du will give me 16x u raised to power 3. But don't forget, we place the value as u, our u, but u was 2x squared plus 5. So if I substitute it in place of u, my dy dx becomes 16x into 2x squared plus 5 raised to power 3. So this is now the answer to the differentiation. We have differentiated y in respect to x. So if you like what you are watching, please support our channel by subscribing.